On the day of July 7, 2026, I was heading to my friend. He is a Russian, born in Canada. It's a normal morning, and we were doing all the tasks given to us. That is a big truck, real big.
Yes, it was given to us by the Corp.
Want to ride the big boy? Go on, try. Start the engine.
Thank you. I wanted to try all the machines, but that's not enough for one day. After I drive for a while, I decided to change shift with Dimitri. Before deciding to change shift with him, I decided to check all the new equipments. The equipments are massive and wonderful.
Give me the AK-47 if you want to change shift with me.
Okay, nice. I guard the 4th camp. When he was walking AWA, I heard a gunfire nearby, which is strange because there are only 40 for men stationed. I decided to check it out. I decided to run.
Sure, it's a common notion, perpetual emotion, but I don't need the comfort of any lies. I've seen the ending, and there's no ascending. Rise, oh, back